Hi everybody, Nancy Atkins here at Atkins Family Law. What are the three different kinds of divorces that are available to you in Florida? So we have three different options. You can do a simplified divorce, which is where the two of you agree to absolutely everything, and the hinky on that, if you're in a simplified divorce, is both of you have to show up to the final hearing. So that's the tricky part of the simplified dissolution, is both of you showing up. If one of you doesn't show up, it is not a simplified divorce. The second option that you have is to do an uncontested divorce where both of you agree, and then only one of you has to show up for the final hearing. And then here's the other hinky. We're in a place now that the one person that's proceeding on the divorce, where the two of you have agreed to everything and only one person has to actually go to the hearing. Hey, guess what? Last year, we approved, our chief judge approved our process so you could do an uncontested divorce hearing by affidavit. So you don't even need the hearing anymore. But that's an uncontested dissolution of marriage in divorce, where one of you participates in the process. So you'll be the one signing the affidavit that you've been here for 6 months and we agree to everything, right? And I don't know if you get an agreement or you don't get agreement. That would be the variable on the uncontested dissolution of marriage. But you still can get it done. And I said, I'm moving these through now with affidavits, which is super cool. Pretty easy to get a divorce, right? The other thing is you could have a contested divorce here in Florida, and those are like the most expensive, most time-consuming types of divorces that you can get. But, you know, we have a lot of polarity in the market right now that people are like, listen, can we resolve it and can we finish it up? Because you're interested in settling it. But when the other side doesn't want to settle, then it kind of propounds you to say, listen, if you're not going to settle, then we have to fight for everything. And it's actually a pretty good strategy. I don't want to spend too much time talking about strategy or negotiation on this particular video. Maybe I could cover that in a different video. That would be really good if you guys want to know, for all my viewers out there. But at the end of the day, that's the third type of divorce. And like I said, when you guys can't agree to what's going on, then you're in that situation where you have a contested divorce in Florida and you're looking at like 6 to 12 months to get that resolved. And it's going to end up costing you a bunch of money. So if you guys can work it out and figure it out ahead of time, that would be your best option. But those are going to be the three different types of divorces that are available to you here in Florida. So if you have any questions, or if you've got one of those divorces and you want my help with that, please do not hesitate. Give my office a call. We're getting them, we're processing them right now, like within about 2 weeks. So kind of easy that way if you've got everything agreed to. If you've got it agreed to and you want to move it through and be divorced by the holidays, give me a call.